Welcome to Buyer's Guide. The best Nintendo Switch accessories is probably one of the most exciting ways to elevate your gaming experience, transforming your console into a versatile powerhouse for every type of player, whether you're a solo adventurer exploring vast worlds, a competitive gamer seeking an edge, or a family looking for shared fun. These essential add-ons are designed to enhance comfort, improve performance, and unlock new possibilities for how and where you play, ensuring that every moment spent with your Nintendo Switch is as immersive and enjoyable as possible. Number 5. DAYDAYUP Switch Carrying Case for Nintendo Switch OLED. This is the premium carrying case designed by DAYDAYUP, specifically engineered for gamers who demand reliable daily protection and organized storage for their console. Unlike generic designs, it features a custom interior with dedicated slots for game cards, a mesh pocket, and precise compartments optimized for real-world use. We've incorporated a specially designed nylon zipper head. This prevents contact with your console, significantly reducing the risk of scratches during use. Built with durable EVA material, it offers robust protection for your console against drops, pressure, and scratches, ensuring safety during travel and daily carry. This is an original DAYDAYUP design. We advise choosing authentic products to ensure you receive the best quality and performance, avoiding low-quality copies. What we like. If you prioritize robust protection and organized storage for your Switch and accessories, this case is for you. Its hard-shell exterior shields against drops and pressure, while the dedicated interior keeps everything neat and scratch-free. Choose this if you're a frequent traveler or simply want peace of mind for your console. What people say. The grip is comfortable to hold for long gaming sessions. It securely holds the Switch in handheld mode and feels sturdy. The charging pass-through feature is very convenient, allowing you to play while charging. Number 4. Mumba Blade Series Dockable Case for Nintendo Switch. Introducing the Mumba Blade Series case, designed specifically for your Nintendo Switch. It offers robust protection against everyday bumps, drops, and scratches, keeping your device pristine. Enjoy longer gaming sessions with its ergonomic design. The comfortable grip makes it easy to hold, enhancing your overall gameplay experience. This case is engineered for convenience. You can easily dock your Switch without removing the case, and all features remain fully accessible. Need to detach your Joy-Cons? No problem. Our design allows for quick and easy removal of controllers without taking off the entire protective cover. Please note, this accessory is exclusively designed for the original Nintendo Switch model released in 2017. It is not compatible with newer Switch models or the Switch Lite. Crafted from a blend of shock-absorbent TPU and anti-scratch PC materials, it safeguards your device from fingerprints and daily wear and tear. What we like. For gamers who love to play in handheld mode but still want to dock their Switch without removing the case, this is the ideal choice. It offers excellent grip for extended play sessions and full protection against drops and scratches. If you value convenience and comfort during long gaming marathons, consider this option. What people say. The dock is slim and portable, making it easy to take your Nintendo Switch on the go. It supports 4K resolution, providing a crisp and clear gaming experience. The included controller grips enhance comfort and control during long gaming sessions. Number 3. Orzly Accessory Bundle Kit for Nintendo Switch. This bundle offers comprehensive protection for your Nintendo Switch and Switch OLED. It includes a durable case and screen protectors, perfect for travel and storage. Elevate your gameplay with accessories designed to improve comfort and control. Enjoy enhanced gaming sessions with these premium editions. This kit provides all the essential accessories for your console. From protective gear to gaming enhancements, it's all included. Created by passionate tech fans, this bundle is designed to maximize your console experience. We focus on quality and thoughtful details. Highly rated by leading publications, this is a premier choice for your console. We stand by our quality with a 1-year replacement warranty. Keep your console safe and secure wherever you go. The included case and screen protectors offer peace of mind on the move. What we like. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution to elevate your gaming experience, this bundle is a fantastic pick. It includes everything from protection like cases and screen protectors to accessories that enhance gameplay, such as racing wheels and comfort grips. This is perfect for those who want to get the most out of their Switch or Switch OLED with a wide variety of games. What people say. The grip is comfortable and fits well in my hands, making long gaming sessions much more enjoyable. The screen protector is easy to apply and doesn't affect touchscreen sensitivity at all. The carrying case is sturdy and provides excellent protection for the Switch and its accessories during travel. Number 2. TalkWorks Comfort Grips for Nintendo Switch Joy-Con. Elevate your Nintendo Switch gaming experience with these specially designed grips. They offer a secure and comfortable fit for your Joy-Con controllers. Getting started is simple. Just slide your Joy-Cons into the grips for a secure, no-hassle installation. It's the perfect accessory for a smoother gaming session. These grips provide a snug fit around your controllers, ensuring they stay in place without compromising access to the SR and SL buttons. Enjoy uninterrupted gameplay. Designed with ergonomics in mind, these lightweight yet durable grips are comfortable for players of all ages. They keep your controller securely in place. Explore a range of gaming accessories from TalkWorks, including cases, screen protectors, and charging docks, to enhance your Nintendo Switch and Switch OLED experience. Choose from a variety of colors to match your style. This 2-pack ensures you have a grip for each controller, enhancing your comfort during extended play. What we like. If you often find your hands cramping during long gaming sessions, these grips are a must-have. They offer an ergonomic design for superior comfort and a secure fit that prevents your Joy-Cons from slipping. Ideal for anyone who plays frequently in handheld mode and wants a more comfortable, controlled gaming experience. What people say. The grip is comfortable and makes the Switch feel more like a traditional controller. The adjustable stand is very sturdy and allows for multiple viewing angles, which is great for playing in tabletop mode. The carrying case is well padded and has enough space for the Switch, Joy-Cons, and a few game cartridges. Number 1. Nintendo Switch Lite, Turquoise. Introducing the Nintendo Switch Lite in a vibrant turquoise color. It's designed for handheld play, making it incredibly compact and lightweight. This device is perfect for gaming on the go. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to take anywhere you travel. Choose from a variety of fun colors to match your style. Express yourself with a hue that speaks to you. Enjoy multiplayer gaming with friends, both online and through local wireless connections. Connect and play together seamlessly. Dive into the exciting worlds of your favorite characters. This is the ultimate platform for Mario and all his friends. What we like. If you're primarily a handheld gamer and want a dedicated, lightweight console, this is the perfect choice. Its compact design makes it incredibly portable, and it comes in a range of appealing colors. If you enjoy playing Mario and friends on the go without needing to connect to a TV, this console is designed for you. What people say. The grip is comfortable and fits well in my hands, making long gaming sessions more enjoyable. It's a great addition for playing multiplayer games, as it provides 2 additional controllers for instant fun. The charging dock is convenient and keeps my Switch powered up and ready to go without any hassle. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.